Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 50 very important questions from mental health nursing. So these are all the questions which may be possible in any of the competitive exams including staff nurse, also MSc entrance examinations or any assistant professor, any kind of examinations you can expect these kind of questions. So kindly watch and understand the answers. First question, what is the risk factor for substance abuse? Sense of inferiority, poor self-esteem, stress and depression, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. All these can contribute to substance abuse. Next is, which of the following most common symptom of opioid toxicity? So the most common symptom of opioid toxicity. Options are hypotension, constricted pupil, respiratory suppression, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. All these symptoms are symptoms of opioid toxicity. Most common deficiency seen in alcoholic patient. Which is the most common deficiency seen in alcoholic patient? Options are pyridoxine, thiamine, vitamin B12, riboflavin. So the commonest deficiency is thiamine. Which disorder affects the memory of old person? Insomnia, dementia, visual problems, loss of attention. The answer is dementia. Withdrawal symptoms of alcohol are tremors, forgetfulness, delusions and hallucinations, all of the above. So the answer is all of the above. There can be tremor, forgetfulness, delusions and hallucinations. Mental health care bill was introduced in Rajya Sabha 19 August 2013, 20th November 2013, 30th March 2017, 27th March 2017. So which is the date? That is 19th August 2013. Mental Health Act was passed in 1982, 1983, 1985, 1987. The answer is 1987. It's the most commonly asked question. Schizophrenia is a type of mood disorder, thought disorder, neurotic disorder, dissociative disorder. So the answer is it's a kind of thought disorder. The most common frequent period of onset of schizophrenia, which is the frequent period of onset of schizophrenia? Adolescence, childhood, middle age, old age. So the answer is adolescence. False sensory perceptions with no basis in reality is known as hallucination, delusion, illusion, thought insertion. The answer is hallucination. Personality disorder in which an individual suspects that other people will harm him is A. Cyclothymic, B. Hypomanic, C. Melancholic, D. Paranoid. The answer is paranoid. So paranoid kind of personality will have always suspicion for others. In following, which is not a disturbance of consciousness? Stupor, hallucination, confusion, coma. So these are the options: stupor, hallucination, confusion and coma. The answer is hallucination. Stupor, confusion and coma are disturbances in consciousness. The drug of choice in the management of alcohol withdrawal is barbiturates, benzodiazepines, disulfiram, acamprosate. Benzodiazepines. The theory aspect of all these questions we have already discussed in the mental health nursing. So you can just watch, go to the playlist mental health nursing and watch all the classes described there. It's described very shortly and briefly in an understandable manner so that you can get an idea about all the concepts. Next question is fear of height. What is fear of height? Aquaphobia, pyrophobia, isophobia, acrophobia. So acro is related to height, acrobatics and all you might have heard. So acro is related to height. Acrophobia means fear of height. Then a learning disorder characterized by difficulty in reading. Dyslexia, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, dysthymia. So it's very common question. Dyslexia. You might be remembering the film Taare Zameen Par. So if you have not watched, you can watch that film. It's a very nice film depicting the dyslexia. National Mental Health Program was launched in the year 1981, 82, 83, 84. The answer is 82. So another important question. Then condition indicating abnormality in perception is illusion, obsession, persecution, compulsion. So perceptual abnormality is illusion. Alzheimer's disease is associated with dementia, depression, insomnia, stress. So Alzheimer's is a kind of dementia. The word schizophrenia literally means split mind, hearing of voices, exaggerated emotion, split personality. So schizophrenia, the word meaning is schizo means split, phren means mind. So split mind. The concept of therapeutic community was introduced by Jean Piaget, Maxwell Jones, William Cullen, Otto Rank. The answer is Maxwell Jones. It's a very common question and it is frequently asked question. Therapeutic community, Maxwell Jones. Who is known as the first American psychiatric nurse? Linda Richards, Dorothea Dix, Harriet Bailey, Peplan Ensa. The answer is Linda Richards. Chlorpromazine was introduced in 1952 by DeLay and Deniker, Sen and Bose, Serlity and Binney, Seikel. So the answer is DeLay and Deniker. Very important question. It was the first antipsychotics introduced, chlorpromazine, in 1952 and it was introduced by DeLay and Deniker. Who is known for promoting humane treatment of mentally ill? Very important question. Who is known for promoting humane treatment of mentally ill? Sigmund Freud, Eugene Bleuler, Philip Pinel and Medusa Hans. The answer is Philip P. Pinel. It's a very important question. ECT was introduced by Moniz and Lima, Serlity and Binney, Freud and Jung, Seikel and Pinel. Another important question. The answer is Serlity and Binney. ECT is absolutely contraindicated. Very important question. Absolute contraindication of ECT. Hypertension, increased ICP, pregnancy, dementia. So the answer is increased ICP. The voltage used in a standard ECT is 50 to 60 volts, 70 to 120 volts, 200 to 220 volts, 1000 volt. So the answer is 70 to 120 volt. The treatment of choice in neuroleptic malignant syndrome is haloperidol, bromocriptine, trihexyphenidyl, promethazine. So the answer is bromocriptine. So all others are dopamine antagonist and bromocriptine is dopamine agonist. Lithium is contraindicated in chronic renal failure, liver failure, bipolar affective disorder, paranoid schizophrenia. So the answer is CRF because lithium has a renal toxicity and also the excretion of lithium is through kidneys. So CRF is a contraindication for lithium. Inability to experience pleasure is called inability to experience pleasure, abulia, anhedonia, apraxia, apathy. So the answer is very common question, anhedonia. Fear of animals is agoraphobia, zoophobia, acrophobia, animalophobia. Very simple question. That is zoophobia. Next is anhedonia is a disorder of confusion, affect, thought, volition. So it's a disorder of affect. That is inability to feel or experience pleasure. Fear of strangers is strangeophobia, xenophobia, algophobia, acrophobia. Strangers is xenophobia. The answer is xenophobia. Compulsion to steal is dipsomania, kleptomania, stealomania, oligomania. So the answer is kleptomania. Fear of pain is acrophobia, algophobia, agoraphobia, claustrophobia. You might be knowing analgesics. Analgesic means which alleviates pain. So algo means related to pain. So it's algophobia. The answer is algophobia. Next question is compulsion to drink alcohol is dipsomania, kleptomania, pyromania, erotomania. So compulsion to drink alcohol is dipsomania. Fear of closed places is agoraphobia, claustrophobia, xenophobia, algophobia. Closed means claustro. The answer is claustrophobia. The spelling you might be very conscious. It is claustro. Claustrophobia. Anyway, it is pronounced as claustro. So closed places, claustrophobia. Fear of marriage is called wedding phobia, gamophobia, sexophobia, xenophobia. So it is gamophobia. Next question is pathological repetition of speech of others is called palilalia, echolalia, echopraxia, glossolalia. The answer is very common and simple question, echolalia. Fear of open places is agoraphobia, zoophobia, acrophobia, algophobia. The answer is agoraphobia. Next is which among the following is not an eating disorder? Bulimia, anorexia, fuge, binge eating. The answer is fuge. Fear of insects is called entomophobia, arachnophobia, zoophobia, xenophobia. So the answer is entomophobia. The commonest mode of committing suicide in India is by poisoning, hanging, shooting, burning. The answer is poisoning because in India the majority are agricultural community and they all have the pesticides with them. So the easy availability is poisoning. Hypnagogic hallucinations are seen in while falling asleep, while getting up from sleep, in mania, in schizophrenia. So hypnago, just remember the word hypna, that means sleep, go means going to sleep. So while falling asleep is the answer. Hypnago, going to sleep or while falling asleep. And another type of hallucination, hypnopompic hallucination, that is from getting up from sleep. The hallucination occurring while getting up from sleep is hypnopompic. So these are the two terminologies. You will have always confusion. Just remember hypnago means going to sleep. That is while falling asleep. It is common phenomena. It's not a disordered phenomenon. It's a common phenomenon. Which among the following is a cause for mental retardation? Down syndrome, neurofibromatosis, phenylketonuria, all of this. The answer is all of this can have result in mental retardation. Which among the following is used in the treatment of alcoholism? Lithium, disulfiram, chlorpromazine, methadone. That is disulfiram. It is used as a deterrent agent in the treatment of alcoholism. Waxy flexibility is a feature of which type of schizophrenia? Paranoid, hebephrenic, catatonic, residual. So waxy flexibility is a feature of catatonic schizophrenia. It's a mobility disorder or movement disorder. It's a feature of catatonic schizophrenia. Words, ideas, beliefs that intrude forcibly into a person's mind is called compulsion, obsession, perseveration, verbigeration. The answer is obsession. Obsession are the words, ideas or beliefs that intrude forcibly into a person's mind. Which among the following is not a catatonic symptom? Negativism, waxy flexibility, pressure of speech, posturing. So the answer is pressure of speech. All others are the symptoms, catatonic symptoms. Negativism, waxy flexibility, posturing, mutism. All these are catatonic symptoms. Which of the following is not a first rank symptom in schizophrenia? Thought insertion, somatic passivity, hallucination, delusion of persecution. So the first rank symptoms are thought alienation phenomena, then hallucinations of audible contents, then somatic passivity and delusional perception. It's not delusion of persecution, it's delusional perception. So the answer is here it is not the one which is not is delusion of persecution. It is not a symptom of first rank symptom of schizophrenia. Which of the following is a negative symptom of schizophrenia? Autism, ambivalence, association disturbance, asociality. So all the other three, autism, ambivalence, association disturbance, all the first 4 A's of Eugen Bleuler or fundamental symptoms of schizophrenia, and asociality is the negative symptom of schizophrenia. So that's all for today. We will be back with a new set of questions in the coming classes. Meanwhile, you can go through the all videos, preliminary videos which I have already put in the channel, and this all explains these terminologies very well. And if you have any doubt, you can raise in the email address or in the comment box. I can answer you. So kindly keep watching and keep working. You will succeed in your aim. All the best.